Boys, I'm going to give you a quick little weekly overview of the markets before we get into them, and what to look out for. And this is what I do every single Sunday, so my head's screwed on for the week ahead, so let's get straight into it. So, what are we looking for? We're looking for areas of liquidity, we're looking for where price want to go and fill in the imbalance in the market. We can even look at some order blocks, equilibrium, put them all together and it gives you a good understanding. So, at the moment, we're all-time highs right now, so it's a bit harder to trade, but it's also easier because prices are going up and up and up and up. As we can see, there is a lot of imbalances that are left that need to be filled. There's liquidity that needs to be filled. And retracements are going to happen, so you can either catch these retracements and then catch the move back up, etc, etc. So with gold right now, we know we've got a gap here in the market on a 1 hour. We've got liquidity down here. We've got liquidity down here that needs to be filled. We've just swept liquidity before the market closed on the weekend, so we can accept some shorts. And then also what I like to do is get this little equilibrium box. It's called equilibrium, Garn box, etc. Drag it from the high to the low, and the 50% level gives you a good idea of where the market's going to go. The amount of times the price has tapped into this 50% level of the equilibrium box, the Garn box, and shot back up, it gives you a good entry. You could even get some shorts down to this or get some trades off this. So that's gold. So what I'm looking at right now is gold is going to short, just sweat this liquidity, probably going to come back down and fill this imbalance here and then move back up to all-time highs. That's obviously S&P and NASDAQ all-time highs. Gold's just pissing around. Gold's not done as well as I thought it would with everything going off. But yeah, SP 500, same shit. No liquidity's being swept, so it's a bit harder to tell. But like we said, where are areas of liquidity? Down here, down here. So let's just keep your mind open for them to be swept. And obviously we've got imbalance here. What could be put in? And then let's get the Garn box from the high to the low. Put the blue line there. 50% level. And that's also another good thing with S&P. You can trade down into this imbalance and then you can trade off it. So overall on the markets today, I reckon we're going to get a little retracement, fill these imbalances and then shoot back up to the all-time highs. And obviously the date of this video is literally going to be the 1st of June tomorrow, so I'm excited to trade in June. It's going to be a good week. We're going to be redoing every single trading session, putting them on. Anyone has a question, just literally drop them in the comments and I'll sort you boys out and help you man out for free. But yeah, overall I reckon shorts in the market, fill out these imbalances. I reckon even some of these order blocks down here, fill out these liquidities and back up to all-time highs. That's my thoughts on the market this week, and that's what I do every week. It only takes 10 minutes to just have a little look, go on the daily. Obviously not much going on S&P at the moment because we're at all-time highs, but like gold, look at the daily. Alright, on the daily we haven't broke structure, so we're short, but on the daily we have just tapped into this daily fair value gap right here. So what's that proving? Right, we've just tapped into that daily fair value gap. We could push further back down into this blue line. Do you get what I'm saying, boys? So yeah, little just market overview, little quick video for you right there, boys. Yeah, stay tuned, watch the TikTok lives, message me in the link in the description on the telly if you need any help. Everything I do is free. Peace, boys.